Hello and welcome to a brief video clip from Stonesoft to discuss how the StoneGate IPS protects against AETs, the ease of upgrading and updating the IPS, and the benefits of a single management console. To set the stage, you're going to see the Advanced Evasion Technique testing tool Predator. The first thing we do is we select the exploit that we're going to use. Then we select the StoneGate IPS for testing as well as the target operating system we're going to exploit. Then we choose the evasion to use, which in this case will be reversing the byte order using MSRPC Big Endian. We then execute this evasion and wait for the results. It appears that it has been correctly detected and blocked. So now we check out the logs to see what happened. We see that it was correctly normalized, the exploit was detected, as well as the byte order change, which is not technically illegal and should be allowed. Part of defending against AETs is fast and reliable updates and upgrades. Here we select all of our IPS devices to upgrade at the same time. So here you can see we can transfer and activate the new software image, or we can simply choose to transfer or activate the new software image. Once this is done, we look and see that we have the correct build, hit OK. And then one of the nice things is that everything is done in parallel, so all of your devices are being upgraded at the same time in a fail-safe fashion. If anything happens, you won't have a problem. They will simply revert back to their old software version automatically. Also, when new updates become available, you have the ability to apply those updates and not have to worry about impacting your network. You can take all of the new updates as you see, any criticality, and put them into a passive terminate mode, giving you the ability to test everything before it becomes a problem for your network. In a single adaptive management console, you can collect data from every device under management. All of this data is correlated between these different devices. All of your firewalls, IPS devices, SSL VPN gateways, and anything else you may have. You can monitor the status of any of these things from the same console. You can collect information on exactly what any device is running at any given time, software version, and policy. At the heart of it are overviews. And overviews are a way for you to collect information on anything you want and be able to zoom in to anything. Overviews are interactive, meaning that you can zoom in to anything that you want to see in greater detail. You can show all of the records for a particular occurrence, for example. The browser-like navigation allows you to go back and forth between views. Geolocation allows you to see exactly where hosts on your network have been communicating and what they've been doing. Now, statistically, you can drill in and visualize this data. This allows you to see exactly how many occurrences of a particular record there have been. The browser-like navigation allows you to go back to the overview. Overviews are completely dynamic. That means that you can collapse sections and expand sections to see exactly what you want to see in the way that you want to see it. In this case, we can drag and expand the geolocation view to suit your viewing needs. Next, we move to alerts. Alerts can be produced by management servers and engines. You can double-click on any of these alerts at any time to get greater details. Now we're going to go back to our logs view. And our logs view is really where everything is collected. And these logs, of course, come in real time. At any point, you can click on the logs to pause them. And our drag and drop functionality allows you to, for example, see all of the high severity alerts simply by dragging and dropping that thing out of the logs and clicking the apply button. Using statistics, we can see who the top sources were very easily by visualizing it. It's very easy to see that there was only one source producing all of those attacks, and looking at it, it appears to be IPv6 traffic, which may not even be allowed. At this point, we go back to our logs. With any log entry, by double-clicking it, you can get additional detail. Further, you can permit connections or deny connections directly from log entries. It automatically creates the rule and allows you to add and edit the policy or automatically add the rule and install the policy. From a compliance and monitoring perspective, nothing is more important than reporting. We have several predefined reports and you can create your own. When you run these reports, it generates charts and graphs that appear very similar to overviews. In a similar manner, you can interact with all of these and print them to PDF so that you can hand these off to other individuals. They're completely customizable and configurable and allow you to see things like rule usage for policy optimization purposes. Defense against advanced evasion techniques requires an intelligent, dynamic, and integrated security platform with centralized management and monitoring at its core. Thank you for watching.